This is Honor 70, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set up custom LED lamp notifications for apps on this device. So to begin with, I would like to point out that I'm going to use a free Play Store app that is called Notify Buddy for it. So open the Play Store on your device, type in the Notify Buddy query, connect your phone to the internet obviously. Then tap on the green install button and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can just go ahead and launch the app. In here, prior to starting to work with it or to use it, you have to grant it some crucial permissions such as phone permission, overlay permission, and notification permission. The better optimization permission or access is optional, so I'll skip this step. Once at the app itself, the first section will contain all the apps you have installed, and from here you can enable the for this app to have their notifications in LED. You can also change the color of those notifications, and if you'll buy a premium version of the app, you'll also be able to change the notifications shape as well. The second section contains additional apps and services that you are also able to set LED notifications for. The third section contains the list of active apps, or should I rather say the apps for whom the LED notifications are enabled. And the final page is the settings page, where you can configure and set up your LED lamp notifications even further. A lot of options, a lot of things to customize. And once you would like to see what kind of results you've gotten, just tap on this test button and it will show how your typical LED notification will look, which interval it has, which color, and what's not. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.